What's up, guys? It's Rikki, but everybody calls me Turbo Lover. My mom's working late at this
dance hall.
and so I'm on my own for dinner tonight. I'm making my favorite thing, Guac-ed and Loaded fries. Step one, we gotta get this grill warmed up, and we gotta get these fries in a bowl. Next, you put your melted butter in there.
And salt and pepper.
Then we mix it up with your hands.
Don't be a poser.
This next step is very important. You only want
One layer of fries.
in the pan. Otherwise, it's not gonna cook right. Next, cover it in
Flat metal.
Now grab your knife, give it a couple holes so it can breathe. Now stick it on your grill on medium-high heat for 10 minutes aside.
Time to flip.
Now cover them back up and do another 10 minutes or a couple pre-sauce. Now let's load these up with bacon and cheese. Now let's stick it back on the grill for 5 minutes or until the cheese.
And your face melts.
All right, let's check out our cheese. Let's guac and load. All right, let's load it up with some sour cream and our Guacamoly Diver. And that's how you make Guac and Loaded French fries.